MAPE calculation in Python. I want to calculate mean absolute percentage error, MAPE, of predicted and true values. I found a solution from here, but this gives error and shows invalid syntax in the line mask equals a, 0. I am using spyder 3. My predicted value is a type np.array and true value is data frame. How do I clear this error and proceed with MAPE calculation? Edit.
In Python, for compare by not equal need not equal, not. So need. Another solution from stats.stackexchange.
Both solutions are not working with 0 values. This is working for me. I hope it helps.
The new version of scikit-learn, v0.24, has a function that will calculate MAPE. sklearn.metrics.mean_absolute_percentage_error. All what you need is two array-like variables, y_true storing the actual/real values, and y_pred storing the predicted values. You can refer to the official documentation here.
Since scikit-learn version 0.24, one is able to use sklearn.metrics.mean_absolute_percentage_error. Here is the link for the implementation on their GitHub repo. I just tried locally with the newest version, 1.0.2. Here is an example, source. Note, MAPE can be problematic if one of the values of y_true is 0. In scikit-learn that will result in an arbitrarily high number. See this example, source.
If you want to see more, please